Are you preparing for Java microservices interviews? In this video, we break down the circuit breaker design pattern, a must-know topic for any backend or microservices developer. Learn how it protects your systems from cascading failures and improves resilience. What is a circuit breaker pattern? Circuit breaker is a design pattern used in microservices architecture to prevent a failure in one part of the system from cascading into others. It monitors calls to external services and opens the circuit, i.e., stops calls, if a threshold of failures is crossed. Why use circuit breaker? To gracefully handle failures. To prevent resource exhaustion. To fail fast instead of waiting for timeouts. To recover automatically when the service is back. Circuit breaker states: closed, requests flow as normal. Failures are monitored. Open, all requests fail immediately. Fallback logic applies. Half open, a few test requests are allowed. If successful, circuit closes. Hystrix. Note, Hystrix is now in maintenance mode. Resilience4j is preferred. What is Hystrix? Hystrix, by Netflix, was one of the earliest circuit breaker libraries in Java for latency and fault tolerance in distributed systems. Features: circuit breaker, fallback mechanism, thread/timeout isolation, metrics dashboard, request caching and batching. Common interview question: why is Hystrix deprecated? Because it's no longer maintained and does not support reactive programming. Resilience4j is more lightweight, modular, and supports both functional and reactive paradigms. Resilience4j. What is Resilience4j? Resilience4j is a lightweight fault tolerance library inspired by Hystrix but designed for Java 8+ and functional programming. It integrates well with Spring Boot, Project Reactor, and RxJava. Key features: circuit breaker, rate limiter, retry, bulkhead concurrency limiting, time limiter, cache. Configuration example: Spring Boot, Resilience4j.circuitbreaker, instances.backend service, sliding window size, 10, failure rate threshold, 50, wait duration in open state, 10s, permit number of calls in half open state, 3. Hystrix versus Resilience4j. Feature: Hystrix Resilience4j. Maintenance: no. Deprecated: yes. Reactive support limited: full, reactor, RxJava. Modularity: monolithic, modular, use what you need. Integration: Spring Cloud, Netflix, Spring Boot 2+. Customization limited, more flexible. Interview questions and sample answers. Q1. What is a circuit breaker and why do we need it? A circuit breaker prevents the system from calling a failing service continuously. It improves fault tolerance by stopping calls when failures exceed a threshold, allowing the system to recover gracefully. Q2. Explain the states of a circuit breaker. A. Closed, normal flow, open, block requests, half open, trial requests. Transitions help isolate faults and restore services safely. Q3. How does Resilience4j differ from Hystrix? Resilience4j is newer, supports Java 8+ features, has better modularity, supports reactive programming, and is actively maintained, unlike Hystrix. Q4. What fallback mechanisms can you use with circuit breakers? A. We can define alternate logic or cached values as fallback. In Spring Boot with Resilience4j, we annotate a fallback method using @circuit breaker. Fallback method equals fallback method name. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your interview experiences below.